Hey everyone, and welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Today, we're diving into something I think really fascinating.
Okay.
It's these faceless Instagram theme pages. You might be surprised to know that some people are using these to make serious cash, up to $500,000 a year.
Wow.
And get this, without ever showing their faces.
Yeah, it's really interesting, right?
Really great.
Combining the power of AI with social media trends and a little bit of entrepreneurial spirit. It's like a whole new playbook for building a business.
Absolutely. So let's break this down for our listeners who might not be familiar.
Sure.
What exactly is a faceless theme page?
So imagine an Instagram account that's totally dedicated to one specific niche, let's say, healthy recipes for busy professionals.
Okay.
But here's the twist. The person behind the account is completely anonymous.
Oh, wow.
They use AI tools to handle all the content creation, scheduling, even engagement with the followers.
So no fancy photo shoots or influencer lifestyles.
Yeah.
Just valuable content.
Right.
Delivered by essentially a digital ghost.
Exactly.
It's brilliant. But why are these faceless pages so successful?
I think it comes down to one word: efficiency.
Yeah.
Think about it. You're using AI to analyze tons of data, pinpoint exactly what the audience wants, and then create content specifically for them. It's like having a whole team of marketing experts, but without the overhead.
Right. Working smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
And this article that we were looking at before this mentioned fitness,
Yes.
self-help, and business tips as particularly good niches,
Yeah.
which makes sense.
Makes total sense.
People are always looking to improve their lives.
And improve their bank accounts.
Of course, people want to better themselves
Agree.
and make more money.
Right.
So those niches tap into that desire
Yeah.
for self-improvement and financial freedom.
Exactly.
And that means a big, engaged audience who are ready to consume your content.
Okay, so let's get down into the nitty-gritty.
How do you actually build one of these faceless content machines? What are the AI tools that we need?
You could use something like ChatGPT to analyze comments on competitor videos, see what kind of content is working, and then generate scripts from that data.
Oh, wow.
Then you could use a tool like Invideo to create high-quality faceless videos with stock footage and animation.
So you're like reverse engineering success with AI.
Basically, yeah.
But that's only half the battle. How do these faceless page owners actually turn those views into dollars?
Well, affiliate marketing. It is huge here.
Okay.
Let's say you have a fitness page and you recommend protein powder or a workout program. When a follower clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission.
Oh, so it's not just ad revenue.
Yeah.
You're earning money by recommending products that actually bring value
Exactly.
to your audience.
You're providing value
Yeah.
and getting paid for it.
I like it. So give me an example.
Okay, so let's say you've got a fitness page with 1 million followers
Million follower.
and you promote a workout program. That costs $100,
Okay.
even with a 10% commission. And only 1% of your followers buy it. You're looking at $10,000.
Wow. And that's just one product.
Exactly.
Okay, now I'm seeing the potential here. But I'm guessing it's not just about throwing up whatever content.
I don't know.
There's got to be a strategy here.
Consistency is key.
Yep.
Posting fresh content multiple times per day keeps your audience engaged and keeps the algorithm happy. And of course, the quality has to be there. Valuable tips, actionable advice, engaging visuals.
So it's not just about automation. It's about using technology to amplify your impact.
I like that. Yeah.
So what do you think? What's the big takeaway from all of this?
I think this model really shows how AI is changing entrepreneurship. It lets people build these online businesses without huge investments up front.
Yeah, this is blowing my mind a little bit.
It's pretty amazing.
It really shows how the creator economy is evolving.
Totally.
So much to think about. So much potential out there.
It challenges traditional business models
Yeah.
and opens up all these new possibilities.
It really does feel like a new world is emerging.
Yeah.
This has been a really eye-opening deep dive into the world of faceless Instagram businesses. And if any of this piqued your interest, do your own research. There's tons of information out there. And if you want more deep dives into fascinating topics like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here on Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. We'll see you in the next one.